I'm Margrethe Holm Anderson from Aalborg University and also from the AfricaLics Secretariat, where I coordinate the AfricaLics Visiting Fellowship Program. In a prior phase of the program, we had a visiting fellowship program for PhD students, and right now we are also in the process of piloting a version of the visiting fellowship program that focuses on postdocs. And why is that actually? It's one way of trying to make sure that more scholars that have come into innovation and development keep focusing on innovation and development research studies and stay within research. As we all know, in many places, many countries, many institutions, there's quite a lot of tension and quite a lot of workload, and a lot of people get drained into or get into teaching when they have finished their PhDs, and then they never had the time to actually do research and follow up on innovation and development studies research. So the postdoc program is an early career development program which aims at supporting young scholars from African countries in keeping the focus on research. The model works more or less as follows, that it's a collaborative model where people get support from their home institutions to focus on research, and they also get some support through the AfricaLics project. And the support we are able to provide due to funding from Swedish SIDA has to do with getting a possibility to go to Denmark and also to get some support for facilitation of research activities. We currently have 3 postdocs, and these are coming from 2 different countries. So there are 2 from Ethiopia and 1 from Ghana. They work under a common theme, and the common theme has to do with inclusive and sustainable industrialization and building capabilities, innovative capabilities in these fields. The postdocs then have certain agreed outputs that they have to fulfill during the period of time that they're working with the program. So they need to produce a couple of articles, and they work together on a special issue. And a call will be coming out towards the end of this year, 2018 or early 2019, for a special issue on the topic. The special issue will most likely be with innovation and development, one of the journals that are attached to the AfricaLics network. And senior scholars from the AfricaLics network will be assisting in the process. So these are parts of the capacity development activities that we are currently undertaking within the AfricaLics Visiting Fellowship Program. We hope that in the future we will be able to raise funds for more postdoc positions. I know there's quite a lot of interest, or we know that there's quite a lot of interest in the postdoc visiting fellowship program, but everybody needs to know that it's still a pilot and that we are developing it, and that we hope to be able to raise funding for more subsequent phases of this same type of exercise. So with that, I look forward to interacting more with everybody on this activity. Bye.